This is MOTOROLA Moto G53, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can bypass parental controls on this device. So first and foremost, let me demonstrate that my parental controls are indeed active. As you can see, they definitely are. From here, go into manage your Google account option or button, whatever. Once at the Google Account Management Center, open Data and Privacy section and go for delete your Google account option. Do not be afraid, do not be freaked out. Right after we will disable parental controls, we will also recover the Google account, so no worries on that end. Now you will need to enter the password to the child's Google account, so you have to know it in order for this method to work. At the following page, check those two boxes and tap at the delete account button. From here you can get two types of messages, either this one saying that something went wrong, or you can get the actual success message that will explicitly tell you that the account deletion was made successfully. Both are fine, so do not be afraid if you get either of those. Now at this point, parental controls are actually deactivated, so let me quickly prove that to you. As you can see, there is no Google account added or linked to my system currently, and if I'll open up parental controls, there will be none as well. So from here, I want to only recover my Google account, which I can very easily do through logging in with it into any Google app. So let's say I'll go with the Play Store. So in here, first and foremost, enter your email address. Then you should get the following message saying that this account was recently deleted and may be recoverable. So that's the message that you are looking for. Then enter the password to the recently erased Google account. And then just proceed with the Google login as you would normally do. And here you have it. The account was restored, the parental controls were disabled, and that would be it. So thanks for watching, and bye-bye.